Okay. A basic question that a basic problem that the annual batch students have is, sir, how do we manage the time between our 12th studies and CA foundation studies? Because what happens is when it comes to the 12th studies at this point in time, you're very much focused on that. There is no problem with that. There is nothing wrong with that. Why? Because our faculty of 12th are continuously telling us that 12th is important. Our parents are telling us that 12th is important. Our neighbors, relatives are saying 12th is important. And then we start feeling कि अगर 12th इतना important है तो foundation की पढ़ाई अभी क्यों करें? Foundation will start at a later date. Why not to do the foundation at after the exam of 12th standard or something like that? That kind of thing comes to your mind. Then why you have joined the annual batch? Why we suggest the students to join the annual batch is they should come up, they should understand the things in more detail. They have the extracurricular knowledge being shared by us, and that thing is not available when it comes to the regular batch students. We don't have that much of time, so there's a very limited scope for going into the extracurricular knowledge. Yeah, we try to give it there also, but not to the extent that we are able to give in the CA foundation lectures. Is it the case that you have been joining the annual batch only for the purpose of doing this extracurricular knowledge? No, you have to understand the things in more detail. You have got more time, you have more comfort for the purpose of doing your studies, and you are not able to. Why? Because our current schedule is something like this. For 12th, our lectures are 3 hours per day on an average. 12th accounts, 12th maths, and if at all economics is there, on an average 3 hours. I think 3 or 2 hours. 2 hours. Then for foundation, our lectures are there for 3 hours. Correct? So our total time of 5 hours is going into the classes, plus we are having the wastage of 1 hour. Uski tayari, lecture hone ke baad mein aaram and all that. So we are having the investment of around 6 hours for only attending the lectures. Then there are some assignments, some homework, something like that, for which we have to spend approximately 2 hours. So that goes to 8 hours for classes. And then majority of the colleges have started taking their lectures online, even though you are just switching it on and sitting aside, still you have to attend it. So 3 hours, approximately 3 to 4 hours, I'll consider, go into the college studies. College में जाता है, studies में नहीं. College time is approximately 4 hours, up, right? Yes or no? अब अगर पूरे दिन में 12 घंटे अगर हमारे ऐसे ही निकल जाते हैं तो सर हम पढ़ाई करें कहां से? How much of the time is available for our studies? That becomes a basic question for us. Mind well, my dear friends, even after that, Mayur Jadhav, I am not expecting any kind of comment. In fact, not only Mayur, but anyone and everyone, please. I am coming on to an important discussion, and then if the comment comes, that creates a trouble for me. I am going to cover everything. Mayur, खाने पीने के अलावा की भी चीजें cover करूं? बोलने में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत होगी, but I can. There is no problem. बाद में recording सुनने में तेरे को थोड़ा ज्यादा मजा आएगा. Alright. So 12 hours are going for your college, classes, etc. Mind well, my dear friends. इतना ही समय अगर ये आपके लाइव लेक्चर्स होते तो भी जाता. फर्क सिर्फ इतना है, वो दिखाई नहीं देता, क्योंकि उस पीरियड में तुम घूमते फिरते रहते, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते, तो तुम्हें समझ ही नहीं आता कि हमारा समय कितना जा रहा है. राइट नाउ इफ आई जस्ट मेक अ प्लान समथिंग लाइक दिस, what is the time that your 12th classes start? At 9 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock, 8 to 10 is what you have the classes, right? So 8 to 10 a.m. right? And I presume 11 to 3 you are busy with your college, correct? 10:30 भाई, ठीक है. ग्राहकाचे समाधान हेच आमचा संतोष. ओके. 12 to 4, 11 to 3, ठीक है ना, मैं 4 घंटे कवर कर लिए, वो थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर होते रहेगा. Now, in other than this, what you have been doing is nothing. You have been seeing the television sets, you have been seeing those memes, you have been seeing those Facebook ads and all that, and you're wasting your time like that. Now, observe it. If I make a schedule of 5 to 7 p.m. नहीं, 5 to 8 तो तुम्हारे lectures रहते हैं. If I make a schedule of 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. in the night, and then 6:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning. This is absolutely possible. Don't say, sir, how will this be possible? सुबह 6:30 बजे कौन उठता है सर? हम तो 8 बजे के लेक्चर के लिए 8:05 को उठते हैं, उसके बाद में फिर हम लोग फिर वो बाकी सब रूटीन होता है. Isn't it? That's not possible. I know it. So if you do something like this, if you cover it something like this, see, this is something suggested. You can change it, twist it according to your requirement. And I want 3.5 hours per day. वो कहां से लाने, कैसे लाने, वो तुम डिसाइड करो. रात का समय तो सबके पास अवेलेबल है. दिन का समय कैसे आपने 1.5 घंटा और एडिशनल निकालना है, ये you decided. Krish is saying that I wake up at 6:30 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. That's fantastic, Krish. You should 3.5 hours per day into 6 days if I consider, assuming 1 day as holiday. So I'm having 18 plus 3, 21 hours per week available. Correct? 21 hours per week if I allocate something like this. अरे भाई, मैंने 8:30 से टाइम अगर स्टार्ट किया है, तो 3 से 5 के समय में देवांश तू क्या भू करे कैसे? सुबह 8 से 10:30 बजे तक के मैंने लेक्चर कंसीडर किया. 10:30 से 11, 10:30 से 12 का जो समय मिल रहा है, उस समय क्या भू करे कैसे? कुछ तो मतलब थोड़ा सा तो लॉजिकल पूछा करो ना यार. मूड चला जाता है मेरा यार. So if you're getting those 21 hours available in a week, I allocate out of this approximately 12 hours to your 12th. In fact, at this point in time, ideally it is suggested that you should keep it equal. At this point in time, up to the month of November, you should be considering your 12th studies and your foundation studies equally. Up to November end, 30 November तक की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. And then from December, this proportion should change to 70% to your 12th and 30% to your CA foundation. क्योंकि तब तक क्या होगा, एक आपके 12th के लगभग सारे सब्जेक्ट से सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएंगे. दूसरा, आपके फाउंडेशन के लेक्चर्स में पॉज लगने वाला है इन द दिसंबर मिड और दिसंबर एंड. तीसरा, आप पीक पे आ जाओगे आपके 12th के प्रिपरेशन में. So by that way, you'll be able to cover more of your 12th and less of your CA foundation. So 70% time you should be giving to 12th and 30% to foundation. When it comes to January, at that time you should give 80% of the time to your 12th and 20% to foundation. And then February you leave foundation. You start focusing only on your 12th studies. That's how you should be allocating it. Like October, November, December, Jan, Feb, 12th CA Foundation, 50% of the time and 50% of the time, equal allocation during this period. November, you should be doing the equal allocation. December, 70% of the time should be allocated to 12th and 30% to foundation. January, 80% and 20% only for the purpose of revising whatever you have covered in the earlier time. Is it possible कि 12th और foundation एक sitting में होगा? Yes, हो सकता है. There is nothing wrong. And then in February, 100% allocation should be your foundation studies. Now, when I'm saying that you allocate it on weekly basis, what you can do, observe it. मैं जनरली जो पॉसिबल है वो कह पा रहा हूं, यहाँ पे वही बात बताऊंगा. Whatever has to be done practically in reality, that you will be deciding on your own. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. This can start from Tuesday, this can start from Saturday, whichever way you want to, that you decide which day you want as holiday. Suppose you do 12th ka accounts, then eco, OCM, and then you do 12th ka maths, every day you are doing maths of 12th. जिनके लिए 12th का मैथ्स एप्लीकेबल नहीं है, they will do CA फाउंडेशन का मैथ्स. In that case, वो SP के लिए टाइम अलोकेट करेंगे. In the for 1 hour you are going to do this, for 1 hour you are going to do this. Or what you can do, 3 days accounts 2 hours, 3 days maths 2 hours, और economics और OCM अलग अलग लगाएंगे. And then CA foundation, accounts 1 hour, accounts, maths, then half an hour for eco खैर इतना करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, वो 2 दिन भी थोड़े ज्यादा होते हैं. Law, what you should be doing on these 2 days specifically is the writing of CA foundation. राइट. अब आप कहोगे सर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस के लिए तो समय रखा ही नहीं. राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस तो रैंडम किसी भी समय पे कर सकते हो आप, उसके लिए आपको स्पेसिफिक समय देने की जरूरत थोड़ी है. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कवर ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स. दिस इज व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग. अब इससे होगा क्या? वन, योर डेली कवरेज इज हैपनिंग ऑफ ऑल द सब्जेक्ट. राइटिंग मीन्स व्हाटएवर यू हैव लर्नड इन द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लॉ, यू आर एक्सप्रेसिंग दैट ऑन योर ओन. Yes, at the time of attending the college sessions, क्योंकि कॉलेज में क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं उससे हमारा कोई संबंध नहीं है, तो you can do the writing practice at that time. It is a very good suggestion to you all. Now, what I will tell you have to be done now. Let's take for example CA foundation. आपने क्या किया? अब जब मैंने टेस्ट अनाउंस की थी तो टेस्ट के 4 दिन पहले से आपने टेस्ट की पढ़ाई की, वो गलत है. You are expected to do the studies on a continuous basis. So CA foundation, I have completed subsidiary book, I have completed rectification of error, I have completed BRS, I have completed bills of exchange. All right. When you are doing the preparation, similar to this for 12th standard also, the things will be applicable. Like for 12th accounts, आपके कौन कौन से टॉपिक हो गए? बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज हो गया, पार्टनरशिप हो गया. पार्टनरशिप में क्या हो गया? एडमिशन, retirement, death, dissolution. You have already done with the topic of NPO, right? And so on and so forth. जो भी रहेगा आपने चेक क्या करना है? फॉर CA फाउंडेशन ICI मॉड्यूल हो गया क्या? क्लास बुक हो गया क्या? और मैंने कंसेप्ट रिवीजन हो गया क्या? Have I done the concept revision? Take it. Have I done the class notes? Done. Have I done the ICI module? Take it. And like this, you keep on targeting that in this particular week, how much I'm going to cover, what I'm going to cover, and how I will be covering it. Like in case of bill of exchange, textbook of your 12th and class notes. These are only two things available. So whether I've covered the textbook, yes. Whether I've covered the class book, yes. So that's how you should be taking it. Similar to this, you have to do for the subject of mathematics. Similar to this, you have to do for the subject of economics. Economics में diagram practice करना जरूरी है 12th standard के. मैंने संडे के दिन बिल्कुल फ्री रखा हुआ है, वो दिन आप डायग्राम प्रैक्टिस करो, आप राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करो ऑफ स्पेशली द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. ओसीएम के चार्ट्स बना के रखो. इफ यू हैव नॉट बीन अटेंडिंग द क्लासेस, you prepare the charts, you put up those charts somewhere, and you try to do the revision out of that. If you will be keeping your OCM kind of subject, secretarial practice kind of subject, if at all maths is not there, for the last month you are calling for the trouble yourself. At a later date you'll start feeling कि यार ये चीज मैंने सच में अगर उस समय पे खत्म कर ली होती तो आज मेरा बहुत भला होता. Sundays you can use for the languages इनफैक्ट सही बोलूं, लैंग्वेजेस आप अभी से पढ़ना चालू करो या जनवरी में पढ़ना चालू करो, तुम्हारी सिचुएशन सेम रहने वाली है. ओसीएम एसपी जैसे सब्जेक्ट, इकोनॉमिक्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट में ये क्यों नहीं मैं मान्य करता हूं, बिकॉज देयर इज द प्रैक्टिकलिटी इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दैट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस लाइक इंग्लिश और जर्मन और फ्रेंच, वो आप साल भर भी पढ़ते रहो तो भी वही सिचुएशन, आखिर के जनवरी में पढ़ोगे तो भी वही सिचुएशन. हाँ, जर्मन फ्रेंच के लिए थोड़ी सी आपको एडिशनल प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. So this is what you are supposed to plan for. This is how you are supposed to do. And mind well, मैं बहुत क्लियरली कहता हूँ, मैंने राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस के लिए कहा था लास्ट वीक में. उस समय मैंने कहा जिनका जिनका राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस हो रहा है, AIT प्रथमेश, मैं ना सच में लैपटॉप में घुस के तेरे को इतना खींच के चमाट मारेगा ना अभी. आईटी के लिए पूछ रहा है मेरे को, तू वो कॉलेज में पढ़ाते बेटा, वही बड़ी बात है तुम लोग को. फॉर द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ आईटी यू नीड द सेपरेट टाइम. यू आर लिविंग इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ 21st century. This is not done, Mr. Gaikwad. आईटी के लिए मेहनत चाहिए तुमको, मतलब कैसे पूछ लेते हो आप ऐसे सवाल. आपने खाने में कुछ स्पेशल खाया है आज, या खाना नहीं खाया है इसलिए मेरी खाने के लिए आए हो? Well, so all said and done, if you do the proper planning, if you do the systematic studies, then you'll be able to cover the things in a proper way. I was talking about the writing practice. I said that you should be doing writing practice. Last Sunday, I got approximately 20 people sending me the messages. Yesterday, I got the messages only from 3 people. And that's not workable. अगर आपको सच में किसी चीज की प्रैक्टिस सही करनी है, if you seriously want to go ahead, you have to have a consistent person in that. If you are not doing the consistent efforts, if you have not been preparing hard, then you will surely be having the trouble calling yourself. So see, there is a saying in English that you can take a horse to the water, you cannot let the horse drink the water. मैं आपको अलग अलग तरीके बता सकता हूं. I can tell you n number of things in which one can go ahead. But I want to tell you one thing, that अरे चैत्राली वो दो में तू ही एक है. What I want to tell you is you have to learn how to drink that water also. मैं अगर हर बार तुमको ऐसा कुछ मोटिवेशन देता रहूं और उसके बाद तुम 4 दिन के लिए पढ़ाई करोगे, फिर 4 दिन के बाद में मैं तुमको मोटिवेशन दूं, जीबी सर तुमको आके मोटिवेट करें या एसएम सर आके मोटिवेट करें, दैट्स नॉट वर्केबल. You need to work for yourself. If you're not working for yourself, you are calling for the trouble yourself. And I don't want to let you go into that situation. See, हमारा intention, हम सबका intention एक ही है, that we want you to be focused. We want you to be balanced. And if you want to be balanced, if you want to be focused, you follow the instructions right. Because what happens if you're not following the instructions right, then in that case, you will not be able to apply that correctly. You will not be able to understand the impact of what we are talking about. And for that purpose, I am literally saying, हाँ, लॉ के लिए अब आपने नोट्स कैसे बनाने चाहिए. ये थोड़ा सा क्लैरिफाई करता हूं मैं. I'll just bring out the ICI module in front of you. Just a moment, huh? I would always suggest that you should be looking